Here are a few steps for using data from Excel to Power BI visualizations. 1. Organize your data. Prepare your data in Excel with relevant columns such as project numbers, states, total project value, earned value, remaining value, etc., and convert the data into table range from Insert option. 2. Save your Excel file. Save the Excel file in a specific location such as your desktop or OneDrive, ensuring easy access for Power BI. 3. Open Power BI. Launch Power BI either through the desktop application or a web browser. 4. Import data from Excel. In Power BI, select the option to import data and locate the Excel file you've saved. Follow the prompts to import the data. 5. Select Data for import. Choose the specific table or range of data you want to import from the Excel file. Ensure to include headers to maintain data integrity. 6. Transform data. Optional, if necessary, apply transformations to clean or reshape the data to suit your analysis needs. Power BI provides various tools for data cleansing and manipulation. Click Close and Apply button. 7. Visualize your data. Once the data is imported, you can start visualizing it. Select the desired fields to display in your visualization. For example, you can create a table visualization to display project details. 8. Explore visualization options. Power BI offers a wide range of visualization options, such as bar charts, line graphs, pie charts, maps, and more. Choose the visualization type that best represents your data and insights. Nine. Customize visualizations. Customize your visualizations by adjusting colors, formatting, and labels to enhance clarity and understanding. 10. Interact with visualizations. Power BI allows interactive exploration of data visualizations. Users can drill down into details, filter data, and interact with visual elements to gain deeper insights. 11. Save and share your report. Once you're satisfied with your visualizations, save your report in Power BI. You can then share it with colleagues or stakeholders for collaborative analysis. By following these steps, you can effectively leverage your Excel data to create compelling visualizations in Power BI for in-depth analysis and decision-making. We are done. Thank you for watching.